Good morning! Today is Sunday, and today I just decided to do like a little quick Sunday vlog because I'm doing some exciting things with my cousins today. I generally don't film on Sundays because I feel like my weeks are always so busy because I never have a full weekend to myself because I work on Saturdays with my day job. Today, I just felt like doing it because we're doing some artsy stuff together and I feel like it would be really cute. I'm just sharing you bits and pieces of my life. It's not necessarily like Ink by Me or business related, but I feel like it would be nice to just have it in the books. This sounds like it's gonna be fun. I don't know. I just found this ad on Instagram and I just thought it'd be really cool to try it. And I'm excited to do that. Anyway, I will take you along with me and I hope you enjoy. Before I head out, I wanted to show you my tomato plants because they're finally changing color. Shiro's barking at the neighbors, okay. Look, my babies! And then this one's also changing color too. Look how pretty they are. And there are a bunch more tomatoes coming out. This one here is also starting to change too. It's turning a little bit yellow. These are my tomatoes. This is the fit for today, and I have my sesame almond milk blend that I made at home. I recently got a milk maker and I have been obsessed with it. I've been drinking it every single day and I feel honestly a lot more healthy. My digestion has been a lot better. So we're doing that for the next however long. Anyway, let's go. Hi. Oh. Hi friends. Oh, it's so cute here. Get the colors. Oh, so I guess it depends on the sizing of your design. Say hi to my video. We're all doing this one. It's all gonna be completely different. This is the colors that I chose. Oh, this is nice. You like it? Yeah. This is their design. Courtney's cat. Basically have to cut out every single piece of different colors that you're doing. And for Tonya Courtney's, they have like 20 plus pieces or something. 50. Sorry, I see 47 here. You gotta cut all these pieces and put them together. Oh, it's gonna turn out so cute.
It'll be right.
Yeah.
I have no time to waste.
That's crazy. This little piece is a whole piece itself. Yay! Thank you.
We're almost done.
Not even close.
Let's see what else. Oh, yours is looking good.
God, we're starting.